Here is how to make this looping jellyfish animation in Blender. Start with a sphere and delete the bottom half. Add displace modifier with a new texture. Select the wood and change the pattern to rings. We need empty to control it. Change the displacement coordinates to object and pick the empty. Now we can offset the texture using the empty. Reduce the strength to 0.25 and scale up the empty to make the pattern bigger. Let's add a few more modifiers. Solidify with a bit more thickness and subdivision with 3 levels. Shade it smooth and put it right there. Make the tentacles with the curved spirals. Add some height. One more turn and decrease the steps to 12. Shrink down the radius and delete some of the top vertices. Use proportional editing to put the top vertex in the middle. Set the origin point at the top so we can rotate it like that. Go to geometry and add some depth to the curve. Close the top and the bottom gaps and let's smooth it out. I'll add weld first, then subdivision. Put the bevel resolution down to make the end of the curve round. Use proportional editing to make the bottom thinner. Duplicate it for the other size of tentacles. The animation is simple. Add rotation keyframes at the beginning of the timeline. Then go to the end and add 720 on the z-axis to rotate it 360 twice. We can just link the animation data and offset the rotation in edit mode. Make 5 copies of each tentacle and rotate them a bit. To animate the head, add a keyframe to the empty at the beginning. Then go to the end and move out the empty, offsetting the pattern with 3 rings. Make sure they match at the beginning and at the end, so we have the flawless loop. And that's it. On this we can add some material with transmission, few glowing dots with a Voronoi texture. I will mix wave, noise and Gabor textures for this wavy pattern on top. Duplicate some of the tentacles and scale them down with Alt S. Add emission for this glowing effect. Last, adding a few objects running down the curves. Using follow path constraint. Animating the offset. We need just one light and we have it. If you want to find out more, check out the whole process on my channel.